Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 313 chemistry question paper of February 2021. This question paper contains 30 questions. Maximum marks is 80 and passing marks is 24 only. Time duration is 3 hours. Question number 1 to 10 have 4 alternatives A, B, C, D. Out of which one is correct? Choose the correct option. Question 1. Some unusual properties of water, such as its solid form ice being lighter than liquid form water, is due to the presence of which type of intermolecular forces? Answer D. Hydrogen bonding. Question 2. A liquid will be wetting in nature if, answer C, both cohesive and adhesive forces are of equal magnitude. Question 3. Which of the following is not a Lewis acid? Answer A. SnCl4. Question 4. Below are given 4 species: 1. H2CO3, 2. F negative ion, 3. H3O positive ion, 4. NH3. Out of these Bronsted-Lowry acids are, answer B, 1 and 3. Question 5. Identify the compound which forms carbon with concentrated sulfuric acid. Answer A, sugar. Question 6. Identify the cation which is colored. Answer C, Cr3 plus ion. Question 7. The group which shows plus I effect is, answer A, CS3 whole 3C. Question 8. Ethane on oxidation with cold diluted alkaline solution of KMnO4 gives, answer D, CS2OH, CS2OH. Question number 9. Which of the following is a biopolymer? Answer C, polyglycolic acid. Question 10. Which of the following is a natural polymer? Answer A, polyisoprene. Question number 11. Define molar volume of a substance. What is the molar volume of an ideal gas? 8 STP. What values of standard temperature and pressure are taken in this case? Answer. Molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at standard condition of temperature and pressure. Molar volume of an ideal gas at STP is 22.4 liter. Temperature is equal to 273 Kelvin and pressure is equal to 1 atom. Question 12. Define the following terms. A. Macromolecular colloids. B. Associated colloids. Answer. Macromolecules in a suitable solvent form solutions in which the size of the macromolecules may be in colloidal range. Such colloids are called macromolecular colloids. These colloids are quite stable and resemble true solutions in many respects. Example: starch dispersed in water. Associated colloids. Associated colloids are those colloids which behaves as normal strong electrolytes at low concentration but exhibit colloidal properties at higher concentration due to the formation of aggregated particles. The aggregated particles thus formed are called micelles. Question 13. Give the relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change of a system. Under what condition enthalpy change is nearly same as the internal energy change? Explain. Answer. Delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. The enthalpy change will be equal to internal energy change when the change in volume of system is 0. Question number 14. How is silicon tetrachloride formed? What happened when it reacts with water? Write chemical equations involved. Answer. Silicon tetrachloride is formed by heating amorphous silicon in a current of dry chlorine. Silicon tetrachloride is readily hydrolyzed. Question number 15. Write the IUPAC name of FeCN6 4 negative ion. Write its hybridization and magnetic character. Answer. IUPAC name hexacyanoferrate ion. Hybridization D2sp3. Magnetic character dimagnetic. Spin type low spin complex. Question number 16. Account for the following. A. HOClO3 is the strongest acid among the oxa acids of chlorine. B. HF is liquid at room temperature, whereas HCl, HBr and HI are gases. Answer. The increasing order of the acidic strength of oxa acids of chlorine is HClO4, HClO3, HClO2, HClO. Stronger acids have lower pKa and vice versa. From the given order of acid strength, HClO4 is the strongest acid and hence has the lowest pKa. Strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in HF molecule than in other hydrogen halides. HCl does not have hydrogen bonding, hence HF is a liquid at room temperature while HCl is a gas. Question 17. Write reactions of phenol with bromine, A in aqueous solution and B in less polar solvent such as carbon disulfide. Answer. Phenol reacts with bromine in aqueous solutions to give 2,4,6-tribromophenol. Phenol reacts with bromine in presence of carbon sulfide at low temperature, form O-bromo and P-bromo. Question 18. Explain the process of saponification. Write chemical equation involved. Answer. When ester treated with an alkali, the reaction gives ethanol and sodium ethonate. This reaction is called saponification reaction. Because this reaction forms the basis of preparation of soap, this can be given by following equation. CH3COO-C2H5 plus NaOH produced CH3COO-Na plus C2H5OH. Question number 19. Vitamin C contains 40.92% carbon, 4.58% hydrogen and 54.5% oxygen. Find its empirical formula. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 20a. Differentiate between continuous spectrum and line spectrum. B. With the help of boundary surface diagram, describe the shape of 2s orbital. Give two differences between 2s and 1s orbital. Answer. Continuous spectrum. A spectrum having all the wavelengths within a given limit. Line spectrum. A spectrum having some lines of wavelengths within a given limit. Continuous spectrum contains all the wavelength in a given range. Line spectrum contains only a few wavelengths. Continuous spectrum generates when both absorption and emission spectra of one species are put together. Generates in either absorption or emission. Shape of 2s orbital. 1s orbital has the smallest spherical shape. 2s orbital is larger than the 1s orbital. Electrons are first filled in the 1s orbital. 2s orbital is filled only after completion of electrons in the 1s orbital. Question 21a. Explain what are non-ideal solutions. Answer. A non-ideal solution is a solution that does not abide to the rules of an ideal solution where the interactions between the molecules are identical to the interactions between molecules of different components. Question 21b. 2 gram of benzoic acid when dissolved in 25 gram of benzene shows a dispersion in freezing point equal to 1.62 K. What is the percentage of association of the acid if it forms dimer in the solution? Pause the video and see the answer. Question 22a. Define enthalpy of formation. Can its value be taken as 0? Justify your answer. Answer. Standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is the change in enthalpy when 1 mole of the compound is formed from its elements in their standard states under standard condition, that is at 298 K and 101.3 kP of pressure. Enthalpy of elements in their standard state is taken to be 0, but the heat of formation of compounds depend on the enthalpy of compounds formed at standard states, which can be both negative as well as positive. Question 22b. Calculate delta RH0 for the reaction C3H8 plus 5O2 3CO2 plus 4H2O. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 23a. Express instantaneous rate of the following reaction in terms of disappearance of hydrogen. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 23b. For a reaction x plus y z, the rate law is given by rate is equal to k x power half y power 2. What is the order of reaction with respect to x and overall order of reaction? Sir, the order of reaction is sum of the powers on concentration. Order of reaction is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 2.5. Question 23c. A first order reaction is found to have a rate constant K is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 s to the power minus 1. Find the half-life of the reaction. Pause the video and see the answer. Question number 24. When water is added to compound A of calcium, solution of compound B is formed. When CO2 is passed into this solution, it turns milky due to the formation of compound C. Identify the compound A, B and C. Write the chemical reactions involved. Give biological role of Ca2 plus ion. Answer. Compound A is calcium oxide. Addition of water to CaO form compound B, which is CaOH2. When CO2 is passed through the CaOH2 solution, it turns milky and forms a white precipitate, which is compound C, which is calcium carbonate. On passing excess of CO2, the precipitate dissolved to the form calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is compound D. Biological importance of calcium. Calcium is mainly found in the bones and the teeth of the living beings. Blood is a large tank of this mineral. It helps in blood clotting. Deficiency of calcium increases the blood clotting time. Calcium supports muscles contraction. Question 25a. Write IUPAC name of the following compound. Answer. 2-chloro-4-hydroxypentonic acid. Question 25b. Name the reaction which is represented by the following sequential reactions and write the structure of A, B and C. Write the structure and name of the final product if carbon tetrachloride is used in place of chloroform in the above reaction. Answer. When phenol react with carbon tetrachloride in presence of NaOH, salicylic acid formed. Question 26a. Give simple chemical test to distinguish between the following pairs of compound. 1. Propanol and propanone. 2. Methamine and methylmethamine. Answer. Propanol gives silver mirror test with tolerance reagent. Propanone does not give this test. Propanol gives red PPT with failing solutions, but propanone does not give this test. Methylamine on heating with alcoholic KOH solution and chloroform form foul smelling methyl isocyanide. This test is not given by dimethylamine or N-methylmethamine. Question 26b. How will you carry out the following conversion? 1. Benzene to aniline. 2. Ethyl chloride to propanonic acid. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 27a. Although geometries of NH3 and H2O molecules are distorted, tetrahedral bond angle in H2O is less than that of NH3. Explain why. Answer. The central atom in ammonia and water molecules have 1 and 2 lone pairs of electrons respectively. Lone pairs distort the molecular geometry. Lone pair bond pair repulsion is stronger than bond pair repulsion. The bond angle of ammonia reduces from 109.5 degree to 107 degree. In the case of water molecule, the bond angle decreases to 105.4 degree as more number of lone pair bond pair repulsion are present. Question 27b. Why is concept of resonance needed? What is a resonance hybrid? How does it differ from conical structure drawn for a molecule? Explain with the help of an example. Draw canonical structure of dinitrogen oxide. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 28a. A steady current of 2 amperes was passed through two electrolytes cell A and B connected in series containing electrolytes ferrous sulfate and zinc sulfate until 2.8 gram of iron deposited at the cathode of cell A. Find out the time of flow of current in the cell. Also calculate the mass of zinc deposited at the cathode of cell B in the same time. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 28b. Predict the products of electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate solution using PT electrodes. Justify your answer. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 29A. Explain the method of preparation of potassium dichromate from mineral chromite. Write chemical equations involved. Answer. Step 1. Roasting conversion of chromite ore into sodium chromate. Step 2. Conversion of sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. Step 3. Conversion of sodium dichromate into potassium dichromate. Question 29B. Explain the application of complexes in the extraction of metals. Write chemical equations involved. Answer. Noble metals like silver and gold are extracted from their concentrated ores by dissolving metal ions in the form of their soluble complexes. The metal ion are then regenerated by adding a suitable reagent. For example, concentrated argonitic ore is treated with a diluted solution of sodium cyanide to form a soluble complex. This solution is decanted off and treated with zinc to precipitate silver. Question 30A1. What product will be obtained when 2-chlorobutane is reacted with alcoholic solution of KOH? Which will be the major product and why? Write chemical equation involved. 2. Which of these two alkane will yield propanol and methanol on ozonolysis? Give chemical equation in support of your answer. Answer. 2-chlorobutane on reaction with alcoholic KOH gives 2-butane as the major product and 1-butane as a minor product. When butane is oxidized with ozone and the oxygenide formed is hydrolyzed, we get 1 mole of propanol and 1 mole of methanol. Question 30B. Account for the following. 1. P-dichlorobenzene has higher melting point than that of ortho or meta isomer. 2. Alcohols have higher boiling points than that of alkanes and halogenes of comparable molecular mass. Answer. P-dichlorobenzene has higher melting point than those of O and M isomers. It is due to the greater symmetry of para isomer that fits in the crystal better as compared to ortho and meta isomers. Alcohols have higher boiling points than halogenes of same molecules mass because alcohols have hydroxyl group which involve in hydrogen bonding. As the intermolecular forces are high in hydrogen bonding, alcohols have higher boiling points than halogenes.